Fresh cherries are in season and plentiful. I'm Tess, and today I'm making an easy and yummy fresh cherry cobbler from scratch. I will show you from start to finish how to make this favorite summertime American cobbler. Stay tuned. I was shopping at Aldi's, and I found some of these gorgeous plump fresh cherries, and I thought I would make a cherry cobbler. Fruit cobblers are so easy to make, and everybody loves them. This fresh cherry cobbler and my homemade peach cobbler are hits at get-togethers. They are like a little taste of summer. I have 4 heaping cups of fresh cherries that I cleaned, pitted, and cut into half. I usually add some extra cherries to the 4 cups. This is nice for spooning on top of individual servings, and this you will see at the end of this video. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar to the cherries, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch for a thickener, and a total of 1 cup of water, and I'm adding about half now. You may need to add a little more than a cup depending on how many cherries you have and how much sauce that you want. Cherries don't have much moisture or water like peaches, so you need to add more water to make the sauce. Bringing this up to a simmer on medium heat. You don't want to turn up the heat or the cherries and the sugar will burn. Right before the mixture comes to a simmer, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of almond extract. The extracts really enhance the flavor of the cherries, and you can adjust to your taste. As the cherries cook, a nice sauce will form and thicken. The cornstarch will turn from milky to clear. The sauce should be thick and just coating the cherries. Once done, remove from the heat and slightly cool. Now we are ready to make the cherry cobbler. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In my 9x13 baking dish, I'm melting a half a cup of unsalted butter in the oven. In the meantime, I'm going to make my batter. In my bowl, I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour, and I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and giving that a good mix. Now I'm adding 1½ cups of milk and giving that a good whisk to incorporate. I'm also adding in a sprinkle of cinnamon to the batter. I think it really adds a nice hint of flavor to the cobbler. Giving that a good mix, and the batter will be thin like pancake batter. Now the crazy part. I'm pouring the batter right over the melted butter. You may be tempted to stir, but don't stir. The batter will level out itself. I put about a cup of the cherry mixture to the side, and I'm spooning in the rest over the batter. Try to cover all the areas, and let little spots of the batter peek through. This is going into a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 50 minutes or until golden brown on top and the batter is firmly set. The cherry cobbler is done and right out of the oven hot. I'm letting this cool to room temperature. You can serve the cobbler hot or cold. You saw how easy this homemade cherry cobbler is to make. If you like fresh cherries, you are going to love this cobbler, and so will everyone else. Serving all American style with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and don't forget to spoon over some of that extra sweet cherry sauce. What a great summertime dessert or snack. I hope you give this easy and yummy fresh cherry cobbler recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!